have to say this has been the most amazing experience I have ever had in my life. In my life, in the last 10 years, I would say. What plant medicine's been calling to me for a long time. It at least, I can say at least 5 years. I first heard about it from a friend who journeyed himself and shared his experiences and how much healing and clearing he had gotten. And then in the last 5 years, I've really seen him step into his mission and embrace who he's meant to be. And that was very inspiring for me. And as over the 5 years, I had these pings all over the place. It came to me in different times and different places, different people sharing their experiences. But last year, it became very clear that it was time. Like, I just knew it, but there was still some fear inside me because it was such an unknown, such a new space to be in. But come last December, I started looking for an opportunity. Like, I just put it out there in the universe that, okay, I'm ready. This is it. And believe it or not, other opportunities came before this one. But I guess my fear did get in the way, or it wasn't the right opportunity or the right time, however you see it. But in December, I was having a conversation about what's stopping me from really living freely. And as I looked at it, I looked at some of the things that were stopping me. I heard clearly as I was talking to others that plant medicine was the way to go. Now I just had to choose and step into it. And when I got the opportunity in January, and inside me, my intuition said yes, I went for it. I changed my mind a couple of times before I actually made it here and did the journeying. But I stuck to my initial intuition and instinct, and here I am. There have been so many shifts that it's hard for me to even enumerate them all. I will simply say this, that I got more than I asked for. I'm so clear about my soul calling. There's all the stuff that was standing in the way, my fears, my anger, my indecision, my inability to trust myself, all that has been like cleared out of the way. I have this really core centered feeling. I am my biggest teacher. I have so much trust in myself and so much faith in the universe just from journeying here. And I know exactly what I need to do next. And I also know that the steps that will follow will come through as and when I'm ready and I need them. They'll just come. Life gets to be easy. Life gets to be fun. Life gets to be this absolutely delicious experience instead of being hard and difficult and complicated and full of drama. And that's really the biggest shift, because now I live life from this place of joy and love, and I just spread that around me versus constantly questioning myself and doubting myself. So I think that's been the biggest shift. And if you are considering it, or it's calling to you even a little bit and you're having doubts, step away from that. Take this. It's the most valuable healing experience I've ever had. And I had heard that it's like 10-20 years of like coaching and therapy, and really that's what it feels like. Like, I am ready to move so quickly and so easily now that, I mean, it's just been 5 days and this is how I'm feeling. And I've got the rest of my life for it. So I'd ask you to step into it. If the medicine's calling you, you are ready. Just get out of your way and say yes to yourself. Thank you.